Hey guys, here are the exercises that I have done for my back when I threw some discs out in my back a few years back. I'm kind of being funny, right? Anyway, no pun intended there. So these are the exercises that my physical therapist had me do, and I had a sports medicine doctor that I was working with, and he said, get to the point where you can lift your leg like this, and you just do simple little stretches, bringing your leg down and bringing it back up. And you're going to tighten your belly in so that you're pushing your belly button into the back of your spine. That will support your back. And then I would go like this with the other side. Now, I am not a doctor, I'm not a sports medicine person, but these are the exercises that got me off from the couch and got me feeling better. So make sure you're always pulling your belly button in to the back of your spine. And then when you get to the point that you can, you raise opposite arm, opposite leg, and you hold this. We're not pulsing, we're not doing anything, we're just holding it. And then you bring it back down. And then you switch off and you do the other side. Opposite arm, opposite leg. You look forward and you're stretching your toes back as far as you can and stretching your hands forward as far as you can. And you just hold it until it's uncomfortable, but it's not hurting. And then you bring it back down. And you keep doing this, alternating sides, back and forth, sucking your belly button in, bringing your belly button back to your spine, and bring it down. Take it forward, point your toes, suck in your belly button, and then bring it down. Now you keep doing that, and for as many repetitions as you could do. When I first started, I could only do 2. And then I got to the point that I could do 3, and then I could do 4. So every day you just increase how many you can do. Now, the next exercise that is, I think, one of the very best ones is go down onto your belly. And at first, you just, maybe even just doing this will get you so that you're stretching those back muscles out. And you have to relax your glutes. Relax. That glute area is so important. And then all you're doing is sucking your belly button into your spine. And then you release and relax. Suck your belly button into your spine. Release, relax. Relax your glutes, relax your legs. The only thing you're doing is up on your elbows and you're sucking your belly button in and relaxing it. Relax your glutes, suck your belly button in, and relax your belly button. Okay, now the next one that you do is go all the way down on your belly. You can put your arms back, or you can keep your arms to your side. It doesn't matter, whatever is very best for you. But you want your head forward, and you're going to lift one leg at a time, just a little bit off from the ground, and then you put it back down. Then you lift your other leg up off from the ground, put it back down, and relax your left leg, lift your right leg. Tighten it, lift it, but make sure your left leg is relaxed. Then you put that one back down, relax your right leg, really relax that leg, and then lift from your back muscles, lift your left leg. And you're just doing this just a little bit, not to begin with. I could barely get my foot up, maybe 2 inches off from the ground. And then you just work your way up to where your leg can go higher up. Then you'll get to the point where you can lift both legs. And you just have got to do this. Follow your doctor's orders. Follow everything your doctor's telling you to do, your physical therapist, chiropractor, whoever you're going to. But these are the exercises that they had me do, and I got relief so much faster. Suck your belly button in, lift your legs up. Hold it until it really becomes just uncomfortable, and then relax it back down. Suck your belly button in, lift your legs, hold it, back down. Then when you get to the point that you can go a little farther, what you're going to do is you're going to put your arms face up underneath your body. And you do both arms face up underneath your body, and you're going to lift your back legs. Lift them up. And this is just supporting you. Your arms are supporting you. And then you can pull them back down. You suck your belly button in, lift your legs up. And you're doing this with your back muscles. And you'll feel it, whatever it is that you can do. Then you can take and turn your arms over so your hands are flat. Put your arms underneath you. And then one leg at a time. One leg at a time. And then both legs. Make sure your belly button's in. Lift your right leg. Lift your left leg. And put them down. Lift your left leg. Lift your right leg. Put them down. And breathing through your nose and your mouth is so helpful. So breathing with your lips closed and your lips closed out like that. So you're really getting that oxygen up in there and through to all of those muscles. So you're going to do these with opposite arm, opposite leg. Oops, I did the opposite arm, opposite leg. And keep doing those. And then go down on your belly, lifting your legs. And even if you can just get down and just even lift these legs back like this. The very last one that I would do is I'd put my arms out in front of me and swim. So swim back and forth. And that is when you start getting to the point that you can do the other ones really, really well. That was my morning routine for so many months to be able to strengthen my back. So I hope that you guys can have really great back health and strengthen those muscles. Always remember, pull your belly button into your spine. That is key for your healing of your back. For me personally, that's what I had to do. And it helped me so much so that I could get off that couch. And I wasn't having to sleep on the couch anymore because of that pain that was in my lower back. Okay, you guys, good health to you. Hopefully that helped and you can become strong and do all those things that you want to do again. I now hike and bike and swim. I can do anything that I want now, and my lower back doesn't give me any problems. I did not have surgery. I just really strengthened my inner core and followed the directions of my physical therapist. I went to a chiropractor and an exercise therapy person so that I could really get my health back. And there were a few supplements that I took also that helped me along the way. So if you guys have any more questions about that, message me. I'd love to help you. Bye.